When that helicopter comes down kind of nice and low and that spotlight comes on and that noise is going off, provides a little bit of that warm blanket feeling.
I've been exposed to a lot of situations when you have an aircraft airborne. It's a lot of intelligence. You have one of us up in the air, and that can help all of us go home safe at night. Because of that insurance, somebody up there looking out for you.
We had a suspect that was stopped by a police officer, and they engaged in a shots fired incident. That suspect then fled into a field, and I was on a perimeter by myself, knowing that he was armed and didn't know where he was at in darkness and in the extreme cold. And once that helicopter got there, it gave me a sense of relief knowing the capabilities that it had.
If I could put somebody in jail, that meant that at least for that short period of time, I made the place a little bit safer for everyone else. From the air, we can do that in a safer fashion instead of being on the ground and racing all over to do this.
We know that when our air unit is up, the capture rate skyrockets. We cover vast areas with little population and very little opportunity for backup. So having that air support, being able to get assets on scene much quicker is a great function for the state. Very recently, where an Omaha police officer was shot by a suspect, that suspect was tracked by units on the ground and air support. Using our Bell helicopter, we're able to get right on top of that suspect. Literally, when he saw the helicopter, the fight was over. He knew that he was had.
You know, when you do have that little blip of a heat signature, and you know that's the guy you're looking for, the safety factor for the officers and for the suspect goes up exponentially as well, because the chances of an ambush diminish dramatically with the use of an aviation unit, because we see where they're at.
We want people to know we're there. We can use the helicopter and get low. We can do a lot of the same things with the airplane and a helicopter. However, over the metros, like if we get in a pursuit with the motorcycle, we need to make a lot tighter orbits, and we might need to hover or stop or land. And with an airplane, obviously, you're not going to be landing in a city. So just the maneuverability of the helicopter, especially the Bell 505, over a metro area is really great.
For us to be able to partner with our local agencies in the Tactical Flight Officer program has really been a game changer for us. It really puts skin in the game for our local agencies, and the enthusiasm with which that has been met has exceeded our expectations.